I'm sorry, I don't think I can hear you. To the bullet in his ear!
They're only delaying the inevitable.
Jim, that thing's pointing right at us!
Go, 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 go! Find me Jim Gordon and Bruce Wayne.
If the army gets through the barricades, they'll have a straight shot to the GCPD and the people there.
Need to find another way to slow them down.
I think I have a way.
Gather all the ammunition you can. Fall back to the GCPD. Go, go now! Gotta go. Well, that was a disaster. Come on, Oswald. We have to keep moving.
Where? There's nowhere to hide, Jim. Wherever we go, the army will find us.
Get me Gordon.
It's Lucius.
Tell me you were able to track the general signal.
It's coming from City Hall, but there's a problem. Selena radioed. Barbara and the baby were kidnapped by Nissa Al Ghul.
General Wade is at City Hall. Chances are Nissa, Barbara, and the baby are too. Our best bet is for me to sneak into City Hall alone.
One good electrical zap should short out the general's chip, then you can get him to reverse the invasion order.
See you back at the GCPD.
Get Barbara and the baby back safe. Come on.
Hey, move! Oopsie daisy, Oswald. We're running out of time.
Just give me 1 minute.
I'm so sorry. I saw the grenade and I froze.
It's the least I could do. But tell me, does it look bad?
No, it's just this. It looks fine. Let's go.
Where'd everybody go?